another update. This time we'll have to replace the disc brakes. You remember them? Don't buy them. After 700 kilometers they start warping, and the braking now is absolutely horrible. The bike shakes at a tremendous rate. So let's remove these and put some other ones that I think they're better. This walks away, and this is what comes in. Metal Gear, that's the brand. It's Australian made. I ordered them before I even have any feedback for them. By the way, this is the code for the FZR1000. So I've never had any feedback on them. I put on another motorcycle, a friend's motorcycle, a couple months ago, while I had already mine here. Being Australian made, I don't think it's gonna be a very bad product. I actually believe it's gonna be really good, but again, I'm gonna have to give you feedback in a couple of months of riding. After 1000 kilometers of riding, I think I'm gonna have a very good feedback of how they behave. That surface needs to be absolutely flat. And after having cleaned the disc a bit with brake and parts cleaner on both sides, just in case it's a bit of oil deposit, we'll put the disc back on. Loctite and bolts. Bit of cleaning. I'll go clean these with a wire brush to remove all the debris from in there and put fresh new Loctite to lock them up. Let's put it back on. Don't forget to press the brakes so you can pick them up to the point that they push towards the discs. Perfect. So what am I going to do with the old ones? I have no idea. I'll keep them until I figure that out. Maybe I'll make a nice steel knife out of them. Yeah, I could give them to a machinist with a lathe to straighten them up, but I don't think that's money well spent, because since the quality is so bad, I think they'll work again in no time, especially having a bit of material shaved off them. That will make the heat build up really quick, and we'll have the same exact result. Throw a comment if you have any ideas what to do with the old discs. Don't know. Up to you guys. Thanks for watching though.